So fine, started anyway. Yeah. So yeah, yesterday we talked about the simple ETL operation, so which is filter transformation, which is how to limit the number of rows, by supplying one condition or more than one condition. So with one condition, you'll have one target. Two conditions means two targets. Likewise, if you have n number of conditions, you'll have proportional number of targets. So, but we tried with only two conditions, two targets. So we can extend that to what? N number of conditions. Yeah. So we have talked about it. Right. So that is clear. Now the next question. So remember, whatever is done within some data integration tool, let's say we are using SCS. So whatever is done in that particular data integration, is it optimal, guys? Because as answer is no. Because you all know like how the decision making statements work within any programming language. Open and
Sorry,
explain.
you're breaking too much today. I don't know.
Oh my God.
Too much today. We never seen this.
Is it same for everyone?
Yes, sir. Same for me also.
Uh, it's breaking up. Huh? What happened?
Try to log off and log in again, sir.
Sometimes Wi-Fi reconnect will.
Yes, it could be.
Is it fine now?
Still same, sir. Maybe you can use. Yes, sir. You're breaking badly today. Yeah.
It's breaking, huh?
Yes, sir. Breaking. Still breaking.
Oh, okay. 1 second. Let me change the network then. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Yeah. Sridhar, is it better now or still worse?
Now it's okay, but earlier again it was breaking.
Oh, I don't know what happened.
I see here it looks like you having internet issue, sir.
But I changed the network also.
No,
No,
now
I
it's good.
think
Now it's good.
earlier.
Now it's good. Now it's good.
Now it looks good.
It's okay, right? Okay, fine. Let us see for some time. Yeah.
Now
So
it's
let
like
me.
yesterday. Now it's like regular. Yeah, it's good now.
Yeah, let us see. Yeah. So Yeah, so we talked about the filter transformation, right? In the last session, where we can use the transformation in order to limit the number of rows with one condition or more than one condition. Yeah? So that part we have talked about it. Now the question: do we have any limitation with that particular answer is yes, because if you try to open this integration, right? Any integration tool, for every filter transformation, we have to have a separate thread. Remember, which means we need to spawn a separate thread. Once you spawn, right? We also need to send the data from source to the relevant transformation. There is going to be data transfer warhead. So these are the two with filter transformation, and second, data transfer overhead. Yeah. So now the question: how to overcome these two limitations? So that's where we have got another transformation within this data integration that we call router transformation. Yeah. Let us pause that. Yeah. Here we can use what the router transformation. Yes. Yeah. So here it works like what? Switch decision making block we have in any programming language. Yeah. Filter works based on what? Else if ladder. Yeah. So we all know that, right? In the sense, we can have n number of decision making blocks, and each decision making block would be evaluated irrespective of whether the condition got satisfied or not. For example, let's say we have what we call if a less than 2, right? So then let's say we have some logic, right? Then let's say we have else if a greater than 2, right? Some logic here. So then else if some b less than 10, example, right? Some logic 3. Yeah. So likewise, you can have n number of decision making statements. At the end, we can have else with some logic, which is a default. Yeah. So that's it. So now the question: if this condition gets satisfied, will the control comes out from these blocks? No, it will evaluate this. It will also evaluate this. So that is going to be a fall through that would take place irrespective of whether the condition got satisfied or not. Yeah. So which means there is going to be overhead with respect to evaluation of multiple condition blocks. Yeah. So that we could cut down by introducing another transformation which we call route transformation. Yeah. Where it works one, we can have one single router transformation with n number of filter conditions. With that, we can eliminate first overhead, which is what? Spawn overhead. So we can have only one router. We don't need to spawn multiple threads. But in case of filter, multiple filter transformations, right? So multiple threads are required. Yeah, that's the first benefit. Transfer overhead also eliminate because once only we transfer it. But in case of filters, right? N number of filters, n number of data transfer should take place. That also will be gone by introducing router transformation. Now, let us try to perform with two conditions like whatever is discussed yesterday. let us do that. Source file connection. Yeah, this part we know. So we are just using one sample file as input. Now let's focus on our stuff. Router. So input, we got three fields over here. There's only one group here. So we can add n number of groups. By default, you will have default group. So we can add, let us say, so group one. Yeah. Configure the filter condition here. Click on plus and specify same as yesterday. Like I think we have given C1 greater than 1, right? Let's say okay. Fine. Then add target and look at the result. Yeah, so let us see that. So now we can supply any target. Now let's say router target. Yeah. Router tct.txt with ChatGPT. Fine. So okay. Yeah, and then save it. Yeah. So now let us supply the mapping name, mapping underscore router to simulate ChatGPT stuff. Yeah. Save it. Yeah. Now let us run and wait for the result. Yeah. So if anybody has any questions, you guys can ask questions, guys. This part we have already done yesterday in ChatGPT because we asked for optimal result. Yeah. So which we don't get it from ISCS directly uh, with the filter transformation. So we can achieve optimal results by using router only. Yeah. Yeah. So let me get executed. Yeah. Click on finish. We got 5 rows. See the result in the target. Yeah. So we got it right. 5 rows. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Now the question. This is one target, right? But which target is it default? Is it a if and it's a default result we got it, which is not we expected, right? So because in this particular output groups, you look at there are two groups here, one and two. Yeah. Now which group is connected to this target? We can expand it here. Yeah. Can you say default is connected to target? So we have got else data, which is a default block data. Yeah. Now if you want to get this what our user defined group data, add one more target and corresponding target file. So we are trying to supply user defined group, right? Yes. Router user defined. Yeah. Target dot txt. Yeah. So in this router, it will guarantee that we don't lose any data because let's say some are taken care by user defined group, and what happens to rest of the records? They'll be taken care by using what? Default group. That's it. And run it. Yeah. So let us see that. I'm still running. Yes. It is done. Now we got all the rows, seven, right? So because we added one more target. So first target, five rows, which is a default. Then user defined target, we got two rows. Now we can the result here, which is user defined greater than one, right? Two rows. And then default, which is less than or equal to one, five rows. So five plus two, seven. So that's it. So this is clear, right? Now let us talk about how we could do it within this what chat GPT. I think we talked about the optimal version of what you call filters, multiple filters, right? We've already done that in the last session, but now in from ACS or Data Informatica Cloud, now only we have done it. Yeah. So that's it, guys. And multiple targets we have already talked about, like how to supply the inputs in ChatGPT. Yeah. Now let us try to talk about. One second. So let us talk about another transformation, which is sorted transformation. Yeah. So we all know that using sorted, we arrange the data either in descending or in ascending order. We all know that, right? Let us perform that practically within data integration service. Then we will try to perform the same thing by using what? ChatGPT. Yeah. So let us do that. So let us create a new mapping, then use sorter. So for example, yeah, let us take this. So input, let us say we are going to use the same input. So like source connection, then yeah, we'll use the same as input. Yes, let's say SQ1 and go to sorter. So we have three fields here. Yes, three fields are there. Now, so we need to configure sort. See, we all that sort works based on what? Key column or not key column with order. So we can supply, let's say C1 descending order, right? So that's it. If you look at this advanced properties, where we can consider case or no case for string data, and this data integration service would take the help from temp directory to store intermediate sorted files. Fine. On top of that, we can also use distinct option to remove duplicates. Yeah. So let us see one by one. plain sort. We'll try to apply, see whether we are going to get the data which is organized in descending order or not. Yeah. Okay. Sorter result ChatGPT.txt, right? Say okay. Fine. Now you can supply mapping names. Just mapping sorter, which will be used for ChatGPT reference, right? And save it and run it. Yeah. Now let us do refresh. All the seven questions result in a descending order. Let us see that. Yeah. Can you see, guys? So empty 74111 whatever. So we could see the result which is organized in descending order. So now let us try to perform that. Perform the same thing in ChatGPT. Yeah. Let us see that. So go to ChatGPT. Yeah. So right. Yeah. Let us prepare these steps in a notepad. Yeah. Fine. So read the data from a flat file from a location which is c colon slash source slash seq underscore one dot txt. First step, right? Then, so yeah, arrange the data in descending order, right? Descending order based on C1 column. Yeah. So here to say C1 column, so with comma as delimiter. Yes or no? So that's it. So that it will be split into three separate columns. After that, we can arrange the data in descending order based on C1 column. Now, next step, transfer data to a target. That's a target file example. C colon target slash sorted result with ChatGPT.txt. Fine. So that's it. So we are reading it with a comma delimiter and then sorting it in descending order, and sorted data will be transferred to a target. Yeah. Or else we'll put transfer sorted data to a target. Yeah. So these are three things. So let me try to copy and paste it here. Yeah. That's it. So now we need to add one more. What we are trying to write it here. Write a Python code with the below steps. Yeah. Fine, right? Right. Yeah. So can you see, guys? Yeah. If you look at the code, source file we gave, and it is opening a file and splitting based on comma delimiter, and it's using what some column which is x0, which is first one, right? C1 column. So it is sorting it with by using sorted function in Python, and result will be stored in the target file. So to do that, it is opening the target file and what you call traversing all the rows which are already sorted, and then write it onto a file which is f. F is what? Target file. So which because target file is open as descriptor, which is f. That's it. So data sorted and transferred success. That's a print statement. Yeah. Now let us try to create one file.
So what is the lambda in that? Key equal to lambda.
Yeah, lambda is basically just like anonymous block where we can execute multiple conditions in the same line. Yeah. For example, here we are using, let's say, lambda here. Everything in one line it is trying to perform. But if you want to do the same thing, we need to use if condition, then followed by logic, then some other statements. But all of them can be done in a single line. That is possible in Python. Yeah, fine. So, but yeah, Lambda we can also do it in Java, but this is more performance effective in Python. Fine. So now let us try to copy and paste and supply the name here, which is sorter dot py. Yeah, what happened? Okay, sorter dot py. Same thing we got, right? So we opened file. So then arranged in a descending order. So we got the complete data, all the lines with the comma separated to what? Data. Yeah. We can say it's like a object. And then sorted function, it took data as an input and use index 1, which is C1 column as input to act as that as a key column and store output of this indexed value in what? Intermediate variable, which is what I call x. So which is the lambda just like a function. We can use it for both as a function and also for condition. Yeah. And then reverse is what? Like descending order. Yeah. That's it. Now let us try to run that. Python SQL target slash sorter.py. Yeah. So there is error we got here. This is what integer, right? So this is where we got error. Yeah. Let us ask for the answer. So fix the above error. Yeah. So here we can see fix the error, which is this. Right? So let us see like how it is going to fix. Yeah. Let us see whether it is fixed or not. Yeah. So can you see here? So it is clearly saying, see it's numeric or not, like each digit. If it is not numeric, we will leave it as for during sorting. Yeah. So then, yeah, let us see whether it is taken care of or not. Can you see, guys? Each digit. These are the complete things you can do in single line. See that? We can see, right? We don't need to have multiple lines. That's the effect of what? The lambda. Fine. Now let us see. That is performance effective. way of doing coding. Yeah. Fine. Now let us try to save it. What is this? Yeah. Less than is not supported. Whatever. We just ask for it. Yeah. Yeah. If the input is numeric, right? We don't get this kind of issues because input is a string. That's why we are getting this. Yeah? But anyway, it will try to fix it. Let's see. Yes. Oh, not copy this. Oh, let us see. Oh, it's not supported. Yeah. Yes. In that case, what we could do is modify our code in a different way. Yeah. See, now it is doing different way, right? If it is unable to fix, right, then we can ask for generate the code in different way. Yeah. Copy and paste, then see. Oh, we still have got the same error. Huh? So see target sorter.py line 14. What is that error? Less than, huh? Less than is not support. Not there. Okay, wait a while. Huh? So this issue. This issue is not gone. Let's see whether it can fix it or not. I didn't change it. Oh, still it is not fixed. So these kinds of some issues will be there with ChatGPT. Why it is not fixing? Lines. Let's see. Include lines. Hmm. Copy and paste. So fine. Yeah. This is not supported. So yes, this is ChatGPT 3.5, right? Latest versions, yeah, these many issues will not be there. But still, here also we can just get it fixed. But we need to keep on asking for resolving this. Yeah? Include line number for each line of code for the above. Yeah, let it generate. Meantime, I'll copy this and still it's not fixed. Let's see.
Can you
We
try it
can
on
fix it manually, but we should not. Yes, please.
shall we try it on Gemini?
Yeah, we can do
Gemini.
that. Gemini also we can try. Yeah, we can try that. But yeah, we're focusing Chat GPT, right? Let's fix it here. Yeah, Gemini also I opened it. So we can do that. But let's fix it here only.
Just
14
we'll
line
give.
number. Which line number? Yeah. So let's see here. Less than is not supported. Line number 16, right? So we asked for line numbers. Yeah, this one, right? Sorted. Okay, lines key equal to custom sort. Yeah. Okay. Sort string. Okay. So now let's see. So this sorted function has a problem that is not taken care here. Yeah. So now let's try to copy this. We got same. Yes. We have to fix it. Wait. We'll fix it in different way. If not this way, right? We get to generate. Oh, line numbers will create a problem. Yes. Yes. Invalid syntax. So, which means we got the issue where we have issue, right? So now what we need to do? So convert our code without using what sorted function. Let's see. Okay. Now let us see. See, now it is done. Which means what? We can identify by inserting lines and see what is the exact cause of failure, right? Then ask for alternative solution. That's what we asked, right? Nothing else. Yes or no? Yeah. And then we got the result. Yeah. So that's it. So we got sorted data, right? Whatsoever. Yeah. So this way we could able to what you call take care of and it in the code in different way. Yeah. So we inserted lines, right? Yes or no? Yeah. Then we understood 16th line has got a problem, which means this function doesn't have capability to take care of that less than syntax issue. We asked for 2, 3 times, it could not able to fix it. Then we have just asked same code only without using that sorted function, just generate the code. So it is completed. Yeah. In this case, it is using instead of sorted, right? It is using what sort function. Yeah. So that is working without any issues. That's it. Yeah. Any questions here? Yep. I think This is a good example, right?
But,
Where it was trying to throw
but did the data get sorted, Rasim, or no? I did not see it got sorted.
sorted. Yeah, that is not sorted. It's sorted, right? One sec. I think it's sorted. The first line has a problem. From second, it is okay, right? 74111, whatever, right? First one has got a problem. Yeah. So we can just say first one as a header, then it will be taken care. So that we'll see. That we can fix it clearly, easily. But from second line onwards, it is sorted. It is exactly similar to what we got here. It is, yeah, 74111, whatever. Yeah. So now we can just ask for produce the data with the header. Yeah. So that is, I think we have talked about it. Yeah. Include header for the include header the above code. Yeah. In this case, first line it is treated as what header part. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Copy this one, this one. Fine. Now let us try to run it. It is done. Now let us see. We got. Yeah. Can you see here, Sridhar? This is what you are asking, right? Now
Yes,
it
sir.
included header, then followed by arrange the data in descending order. Yeah.
Yeah.
So because we did not ask for header, that's the first line. It is treated as what header line. Yeah. That's
Yeah,
it.
even without header also we can do, but header skip, maybe we can make it
Yeah.
false.
Yeah. You are right. Actually, we should. If you ask specific question, right, then you'll get a specific answer. But yes, sometimes header
Yeah.
part will be taken care, sometimes it is not. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why it's always better to ask specific questions so that you'll get right result. Say that. Yeah. Fine. Yeah. Logically, by default, header should be taken care, but it's not taken care. Like yesterday example, it is taken care, right? So that's fine. Yeah. So that's it. Now the question. Let us say we have duplicate records over here. Yes or no? Now can we eliminate duplicate records over here in
Yes.
ChatGPT? Answer should be yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Distinct.
we'll confirm that. Yes, exactly. In tool, what you said is right. So we can use what distinct option. Yeah. So let's get in here and then sort. So advanced. Here we got distinct option. Yeah. Save it. Yes. Now run it. So let us try to refresh this. Yeah, we got 6 rows. Let us see what are those 6 rows. This one, right? So we got 6 rows. One more it is repeated. Rest is okay, right?
Now, do you think there is a duplicate? I don't see
But
duplicate.
data is different, right? Complete row wise. Yeah? So logically, based on one column, it should eliminate duplicate records. This is fine. This is sorted transformation in data integration, right? Yeah. Let us try to perform same thing in ChatGPT. Fine, right?
Yes.
Let us try doing it. Yeah. So let's go to ChatGPT. Yeah. So eliminate duplicate records. Yeah. So we'll say modify above code, replace above code to eliminate duplicate records. That is fine. I think this is not right. This. Yeah. The code ensures that only unique values of C1 are retained, right? Because we are trying to sort the data based on C1, right? Yes or no? Yep. So let us see. So we'll try to copy this code and go to this. Yeah, let us create one sorted with remove duplicates, right? Dot py. That's it. Yep. So now let us see that. Yes. So it is done. This is quite fast, right? That's fine. Now let's look at the result. So we are using this one, right? It's a code actually. We have executed already. And this one. It is not removed, right? We got the same result, right? Yes or no?
No, what was the file name that we gave? Sorted remove something.
So I think a
Sorted remove
duplicate or
duplicates. Sorted remove duplicates. Yeah.
Narasimha, we have
So did I
duplicate record.
copy this code? No, no. Did I copy this code first of all? No. Copy and paste. We need to copy and paste, right? It is done already. So now let's see. Let's run it again. Oh, the same problem we got, huh? Like earlier. The code was not copied last time. Here also again we need to check the line number and see where there is an issue and then look for alternative option. Let us see. If it works, it's okay. If not, yeah, to keep track of any records. Yeah, let us see. Oh, code is same almost. Yeah, it is done now, right? But we should get expected result, right? It is not sorted. Remove duplicates not working, right? Remove
Duplicates on
duplicates.
all the rows, right? So do we need to mention
One second. Remove
the
for
column
the
names?
above code based on C1 column. Let's ask specific stuff. Actually, key column already given. So based on that, it should eliminate. Let's see now. We're asking specific to C1 column. Yes, lines with unique C1 values are added. Yeah, let's see. Yeah,
But it might check only the C1 column if there are any duplicates, right?
yes, that's what we wanted. Yeah, so we got it now. This is perfect, right? So 147, it is perfect, right? That's what we wanted. So if you just open input data, go to source, SEQ1, yeah. So here one is repeated for 3 times. We got one record. 47 is okay. Rest all empty records, we can ignore that. So because we are focusing on now C1, right? So now, yeah, this is the result 147. We got unique data, which is perfect.
If at
Now the
all we
question,
wanted to go with complete row, then we need to mention all the column names, right?
the
Yeah,
complete row
possibly
means we
that
need to ask for C1, C2, C3. Sridhar.
distinct rows.
Yes,
Possibly, if you
different
give
rows.
distinct rows,
Yeah,
it's okay.
distinct rows also we can do. Row wise, what you call separation. But normally in sorted transformation, right? So we use what based on column wise. Distinct means complete row it will take. For example, here it is done that way only, right? Sorted transformation. You know, this guy is done based on what complete row. Yes or no? So that's what we saw, right? In this result. Yeah. Where is that? I've taken out. Let's go here. Sorted result. This one. Yeah. So here 11899, 123. These are two distinct rows. And if we open this 123, 11819, 11899. So these two distinct rows we got it row wise. Then in that case we can also ask for ChatGPT to generate row wise. Yeah. So we can do that. So modify above code to remove duplicates at row level, right? Are based on row, based on the row. Yeah. So this is row wise.
Can we possibly use the word distinct, sir, instead of duplicates? Possibly, I'm
Yes,
not
we can.
sure. Yeah, we
Yeah,
can.
we
We'll
can
take
also
it,
use
sir.
this. Yes, you are right. Yeah. So let us see here. Yeah. To remove duplicate rows, you can see right. Only unique lines are added, which is complete line. Yeah. So then we can see header part that we have also asked already. So let's see this now. This one. Yeah. Yeah, it's just complete. Yeah. Now we got two separate rows, right? This and this. Though one is same, but row wise it is different. Yes or no? So we could able to get 6 rows. Same thing we got it in uh, what sorted transformation, right? Yes or no?
Yeah, yes, it's correct.
This is perfect. But only
Even the
difference here is
blank, even the first column blank records has come in.
yes, blanks also have been taken care. Earlier, blanks have been taken out. C1, right? So we asked only for based on C1, right? So in that case, it makes sense. Now we are asking at row level, right? So C2, C3 also will be considered. Yes or no? Yeah. So that's it. Only extra thing here is it is added double quotes. So we can ask ChatGPT to enclose double quotes for each field value. Yeah. So enclose text qualifier, right? Enclose double quotes, yeah, for each field in the target, right? Yeah. Now let us see whether it's added double quotes. So you can see here quote fields. Yeah. Yeah. Let us. Yeah. It is done. Let's see. See, it is added double quotes also. Yes or no? So that's it. Yeah. See, we got the same result as what we got in what? This is the different one. Yes, this is sorted transformation, right? So this is previously without quotes, now with quotes. Yeah. But in this case, it is not organized in ascending or descending order, right? So we just have to ask for it.
We
Yeah.
also have last
Right.
row empty. It looks like there is an empty row in the last. So because of that, you see one.
New line.
Yeah.
Because of new line.
No, no.
So yeah, open. Let's open that. Yeah. If you just open this thing, right? There's a new line here. Can you see here? This one.
Yes, yes, I see
That's
that.
yeah. So that is taken care. Yeah. So that is fine. So that's why it's added one empty row here. Yeah. So here also we have it empty. Yeah. Chat GPT result. This one it is not taken care actually. This sorted transformation not taken care. Yeah, that's okay. It's empty line, right? So, but data part you should not miss it. Both the case result is fine. Yeah. So now the next question, functionality wise, we got it. Performance wise, and it's much faster. Chat GPT, both are done, and double quotes we enclosed it. Yeah. Now, if you want to change, like don't use quotes, whatever, right? In tools, we have that option. Yeah. So we can just specify appropriate test qualifier, right? Like no quotes or single quote or double quotes. Yes or no? These are common things for almost all data integration tools. Yeah. Can you see here test qualified, none, single, or double? Yeah. So that's it. Hmm? Yeah. Clear, guys? Yes or
Yes,
no? So
yes, sir.
whatever can be done by using tool, so we can do beyond that in a programming. Because as I said earlier, tools are built on top of what? Programming language, not other way, right? So that is why here we are generating a code based on our own choice. That is why we can do beyond what could be supported by data integration tools. Remember that, yeah? So that's it. Yeah. So that's it about this sorting with unique option we discussed today. Yeah. So I think we can stop here. We'll continue from it tomorrow with some other topic. But before we close, if you have any questions, you can just shoot out.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, fine. Okay then. If there are no questions, we'll stop here. We'll continue from here tomorrow. And this recording part, I think you might get a mail, Sridhar, because you registered, right?
Oh, okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
see, Yeah, you see if you could able to download. If not, let me know. Okay,
Yeah,
Sridhar?
sure. Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay, then thanks to all guys and bye.